Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do in order to turn off previously opened apps is to open the recents first, and it really depends what kind of navigation type you've got set. So if you've got the gestures just like me, you cannot see the buttons, then you will have to swipe your finger up gently and hold it right in the middle of the screen in order to open the recents. But if you've got the navigation buttons, the 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen, then you will have to find the one with, I believe, 3 bars icon and tap on it, and thanks to this you will open the recents. So let me open them just by swiping my finger up gently, and as you can see here we've got all previously opened apps, and if you want to you can of course close only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of the apps opened and you just don't want to waste your time, then let's tap on close all. And as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your OPPO Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.